Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the menu bar if it's missing on your Mac. If the top menu keeps disappearing, don't worry, it's easy to get it back permanently. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps out the channel. Thanks guys! Alright, here's what's happening. By default, macOS sometimes hides the menu bar. If you move your cursor to the very top of the screen, the menu bar shows up, but once you move the cursor away, it disappears again. To keep it visible all the time, we'll need to adjust your settings. Click on the Apple icon at the top left and select System Settings. If you don't see the menu bar to get there, you can also press Command plus Space, type System Settings, and hit Enter to open it. Once you're inside System Settings, look at the left-hand menu and select Control Center. Now scroll down until you see the option for Automatically Hide and Show the menu bar. Here you'll have a few choices. Always. The menu bar hides until you move your cursor to the top. Only in full screen. The menu bar is always visible, except when an app is in full screen. Never. The menu bar will always stay visible, no matter what. If you want the menu bar to stay at the top permanently, choose Never, and that's it. Now your menu bar will always be visible on your Mac. If this video helped, hit the like button, leave a comment if you still have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks.